If you bake a lot or even just a little, these two pieces stainless steel baking pan is about to become your new kitchen favorite. You're getting 2 pans, both made from durable stainless steel, so you can always have a backup ready. Whether you are cooking for big family or those last minute surprise guests, they are also a great gift for anyone who loves to bake. What makes them different? They are crafted from high quality stainless steel that resists warping even at high oven temperatures. That means no bending, no rusting, and no weird coating. Just clean, even baking every single time. Cleaning is the best part. These pans wipe down easily, and stainless steel resists stains, so they stay shiny and looking brand new. Each pan has a large 9 by 13-inch interior, ideal for cakes, casseroles, brownies, biscuits, roasted vegetables, chicken, fish, pretty much anything you want to throw in the oven. And the extended handles makes it easy to grab them safely like this. Whether you're baking, roasting, meal prepping, or hosting, these pans are built to handle it all. I really like them. They are amazing and they even look very, very stylish. I hope you like them. Thank you for watching. Cheers.